Hi, I just hooked up the BREEZEWELL evaporative cooling fan. So I put cool, clean water in here and I made sure the pump is submerged and locked in there. Close the tank up, lock it. It has all these great features on top, or you can actually use the included remote. It has a lot of features on it. Now if you turn it to cool, that'll start the humidification for the evaporative cooling, and it also has an oscillating feature. It does come with 2 ice packs that you can put in the tank to help create even cooler water in there.